Looking to boost your health and achieve your fitness goals? Let's explore the best AI tools for health and fitness. Number 1. MyFitnessPal. MyFitnessPal's AI capabilities help you track your diet and exercise with ease. Imagine an AI that logs your meals, counts calories, and offers personalized nutritional advice. MyFitnessPal's AI ensures you stay on track with your dietary goals and makes healthier food choices. Number 2, Fitbit. Fitbit uses AI to monitor your physical activity and provide insights into your health. Imagine an AI that tracks your steps, sleep patterns, and heart rate, offering personalized fitness recommendations. Number 3, Freeletics. Freeletics leverages AI to create customized workout plans tailored to your fitness level and goals. Imagine an AI that designs your workouts, adjusts intensity based on your progress, and provides real-time feedback. Find all the links in the comments. Want more health and fitness tips? Smash that subscribe button.